Welcome to Jethro's Garage. How y'all doing today? I spent a little time out in the garage after I did my pawn shop haul, and I decided I was going to work on that SK Ratchet. So here's that video. We'll let y'all watch that so that, maybe if anyone else has any issues with theirs. I had some issues getting this one back together. I'll show a little bit of it, but it took me a minute, and I actually went and got another one of my ratchets that was just a smaller version of the same thing. Took it apart to see how it went back together. So, I appreciate y'all, and stay tuned. Let's see what we can do to fix this ratchet. Horrible back drag on that ratchet there. Okay, it's soupy in here. Everything's all stuck. So whatever they put in here was gummy. Very, very gummy. And you don't want it to come out. Use a little kerosene on them. Be right back. It's dirt out here. Should be bottom up there. I don't know what they use, but it's gummy. It's real gummy. And real sticky. Well, I guess gummy would be sticky, huh? I'm sitting here doing this. I'm thinking about a few different things. Had a old, I'm not sure what to say, so I'm gonna call him a friend, because he was. We were friends, but it had been so very long since we'd actually spoke. It'd actually been, since sometime around 1995. He was just a little older than me,
about 3-4 years. He passed away suddenly here lately, and it's I've had a few good friends pass over the past few years, and it's just striking how sudden it can be. And it's a pretty it's a significant thing. So hold on to your loved ones, give them a hug, let them know you love them. But you never know when it'll be the last time you get to do so. Take time to visit with your friends and, say hey. And all that good stuff. This still has a lot on it. I'm gonna have to do another bath. Okay, I got it back together. It took me a minute. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. First of all, you can't tighten this thing down a whole lot. Second, it likes grease or a thicker grease. So the problem I was having, this spring right here, I'll show you. This spring right here, it goes in there. There's a smaller hole on the bottom. So, goes in there and it wants to pop out. Now, this tab goes in this end of the spring. It has to go inside the spring. So, see if I can get that in there. Trying to do this for the camera isn't easy. So I know I'm in the way. But I think I missed it. Maybe. No, it feels like it's in there. So let's tighten this up and see if she works. Tighten it up and then back it off. Hear that? It is a fine-tooth ratchet. It's a nice one too. Hope y'all enjoyed this. It's a little SK 4275. Oh, let me bring it down. A little SK 4275. It's a nice little ratchet. $4 or $5, something like that.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like the content, and come on back and watch some more. I really appreciate everything y'all do. Take care.